Hey y'all, welcome back to the Luxuriant Curls channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this very simple and stylish French hairstyle. If you would like to see how I created this style, stay tuned. I'm creating this style on blow dried hair, and to begin the style, I'm just going to section off the top half of my hair to create a section for bangs. I added gel and I'm brushing my sides up for my edges to be neater, and now I'm going to French braid my hair. French braid is different from cornrow because you braid overhanded instead of underhanded, and I'm sorry that you're not able to really see the braid. I was not able to position the camera in a way where you could see what I was doing, and all of my hair is kind of in the way, so you will see exactly what the French braid looks like when I'm done. You will also see me stopping every once in a while because my hands and my arms get tired as I'm trying to braid my hair, and so slowly but surely I was able to make my way through my hair to French braid it all the way down to the very end. And here is the finished braid. It is not perfect, but it is together. And yeah, it's done. And now I am ready to move on to the next step. For the bang section, I am going to actually be creating 4 2-strand twists in the very front that I'm going to eventually be pin curling them up to create sort of like a curly bang effect. So I have my bobby pins, and now I'm just going to twist the 2-strand twist around to create a pin curl. I was going to pin curl this way, but I decided to pin curl the other way because it would lay better. And then I'm just going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to just bobby pin these pin curls into place. All right, the pin curls are all pinned in place, and now you can see it sort of creates kind of like a curly bang effect, and I really like the way it looks in contrast with the French braid. All right, so the style is all finished, and I'm just going to take this hair clip here and kind of jazz the style up a bit. This is a hair clip that has pink crystals on it, and it just goes perfectly with the outfit that I wore for work that day, and it just gave the hairstyle just a little something something. And then here's the back of the hairstyle, the French braid. I did kind of tuck up the back because it was uncomfortable for my braid to be out. And then this is the entire finished look. I really enjoyed this look. I got a lot of compliments on this look. It was very quick and simple, and I would definitely do it again. All right, guys, you all have an awesome hair day, and I will see you in the next video.